Currently, Hedera trades close to 0.50. Hedera has a medium-term barrier at 0.071 and a really important way bar fall 4.45 in 7 days that shows how bar fall 4.45 in 7 days really goes against what most people think. The current trading volume of Hedera is 16,832,988. July 2023. In this video, we'll show you exactly what the Hedera price is now and what it will be a week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the most common questions about the price of Hedera, such as what the bar and WISE interest rates are, how much support and resistance there is for Hedera, and so on. The price of Hedera is currently very high, but it is expected to drop soon. Incredibly, market analysis shows that over the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84. Bringing the total value of the digital money market to $1,195,618,921,722. This is a very big number. Bitcoin makes up 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%, or so they thought. This led to Bitcoin's price dropping to 30,513.42 cents after a loss of 0.19. Which is important for other digital currencies like Ethereum, which has seen its value rise. XRP, the local currency, has gone up by 1.54 and is now trading at 48 cents. This shows that the current trading rate of Hedera is 16,832,988 foundations, which goes against what most people think. After losing 0.77 of its value, Coco's BCX went up to 60 cents, which is kind of very important. These things usually show that the market is going down in a big way right now. A generally bad drop can be seen across the crypto market. With Bitcoin holding 49.56% of the entry market while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33, in a simple way, Hedera support and resistance. Support and resistance are important technical indicators used to find key price levels where a trend can change direction. Help is a level at which merchants become more active and really stop the coin's price from going up in a big way. Blockage is a level at which merchants become more active and really stop the coin's price from going up in a big way. Hedera execution. The daily summary of Hedera shows that the bar price has a very clear downward trend with a 1.22 decrease in kind. Beyond 24 hours, it's clear that these events show that the market is going down in every way that matters. For the most part, the value of the Hedera bar coin has stayed at 0.050, with a market capitalization of $1,600,114,417,424. So, these events show that the market is generally going down, or so they thought. Cost changes at bar during the week. The exchange rate was $4.45. And the amount of trades was really around $16,832,988 US. Hedera value test bar cost. The analysis for July 2023 shows a really daily time period, which is shown below. The bar price changes by $4.45 each week, while the trading volume is usually around $16.83, $9.88 USD. In a big way. We use a relative strength index, RSI, that is a normal combination and difference. Mapped backup levels, different moving midpoints for different amounts of obstruction, like really easy moving, kind of normal small. And remarkable moving normal EMA to basically stop the growth of the Hedera in the future bars. Williams %R pointer is at 41.258 for the 14-day time period, which shows a neutral situation. At the same time this blog was posted, BNB traded at 244.84 cents after a price change of 0.97. The trade really signal generally is really possible at this point, which shows how Bitcoin's price dropped to $30,513.42 after a 0.19% drop. Contrary to popular belief, the MACD line is still above the really signal line after a really sure hybrid, which is really big. Hedera investors should just wait for a change in direction. The coin in particular is falling as it breaks below two important support levels of 0.058 and 0.054. Surprisingly, the market isn't good for bulls, and bears could really take Hbar to the next support level at 0.050 in a big way. The real record of relative strength RSI shows that the Hbar coin isn't heading toward the overbought zone. RSI is currently at 60, which is a level where buyers become more active and keep the coin's price from falling any further. Bitcoin price prediction: BTC stays at $30,500 as the market waits for June inflation data. At the moment, the price of Bitcoin is $30,628, which is a rise of almost 0.5% from Wednesday. As the market waits for June's inflation figures to be released, the cryptocurrency market is on standby to see how it might affect Bitcoin's performance. Notably, CBOE has refiled 5 Bitcoin ETFs that now include Coinbase monitoring agreements. This adds to the growing interest in the cryptocurrency market and the new things that could happen in it. The crypto market is waiting for June's inflation data to come out. Inflation in the US is expected to drop to its lowest level in more than 2 years in June. But prices for core goods and services are still going up, which suggests that the Federal Reserve is likely to keep raising interest rates. Economists think that the consumer price index will slow to 3.1%, which would be the slowest rate since March 2021. This could make people more likely to think that the Federal Reserve will tighten its monetary policy, which could affect Bitcoin's performance as buyers look at how interest rates and inflationary pressures might change. Thoughts from Bybit's head financial engineer on predicting BTC price growth during rate slowdown. Chen thinks that the market price could go up in the fourth quarter, but a full-fledged bull market might not happen until 2024. For this to happen, rate hikes would have to stop. BTC would have to drop a lot, and legal questions would have to be answered. Even though these predictions were made, Bitcoin has stayed steady at around $30,000. Which is a 100% rise since the beginning of the year. Notably, Bitcoin has done well even when the market is down, which suggests that experienced traders may have taken advantage of this. People are buying more Bitcoin because they think its price will go up in the future, which has been in the news. Investors may be interested in how the market is expected to bounce back in the fourth quarter and how there may be a bull market in the years to come. This confidence, combined with Bitcoin's strong performance so far in 2022, has probably kept interest and demand high, which has helped keep Bitcoin's price going up.